In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to remove and install the front bumper on your Luggie scooter. All you need is a size 4 Allen wrench. You want to take out the first screw, maybe just loosen it, just enough. You want to be careful because behind here there's a small washer. That's how it'll look. It's a washer, another smaller washer. Same on this side. Now what you want to do is put one side at a time. Screw it on good enough just so it can hold, not too tight. And you get this side. Just tighten it down. Doesn't have to be too tight, but tight enough because this is where you grab the scooter from.